Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a update video on the vintage Hoover Heavy Duty Power Drive Concept 1. So this I got from a Goodwill in a recent vacuum saved video along with that Bissell over there. And I cleaned it up and it does need some more parts. But as far as I know, this thing at the moment is fully original. What's nice is the cord is in amazing shape. There's no nicks in it. It's perfect. Unfortunately, though, it has yellowed a little bit. I can tell that it has. You can see the handle is two different colors. This has kind of gone to like a cream color. This is the original white color. Another giveaway is, yeah, they probably have not adjusted that in quite some time, as you can clearly see the original color, but that's okay. Doesn't bother me. Cleaned it all up, all the scuff marks off and paint marks, and it's, you know, it does need some parts though. It needs a set of headlights. This machine takes two headlights on either side. I'm sure I can get those pretty cheap. But basically just pop the cover off and there you go. And the most expensive part that this will need is a new brush roller. So here it is. You can see I cleaned it all up. It looks like new almost. But I know this has replaceable brush strips, but these brush strips are about the price of a new roller. So I don't really see much of a point of replacing them, especially because the bearings are kind of shot. Specifically this one. This one kind of sounds terrible. This one's pretty smooth. But you can see it's in good condition. I believe it's the original brush roller. It's in great shape. There's no paint marks, paint missing actually. So that's great. Cleaned everything out. Cleaned off the drive wheels and everything, so that's good. And the bag, I'm just running what I had, a Bissell style 7 bag. Fits perfectly on the collar. I know this takes Hoover type A bags, so I will purchase those. It's just this is what I have that actually works. And I actually washed all this out, so nice and clean. But I did take this apart all the way down to the motor, and the fan is in very good condition, so I believe that this machine wasn't used all that much, and it just sat for a long time. And clearly exposed to some sort of heat because you can tell it's yellowed a little bit, but that's okay. You can see the handle is also in great shape. Nothing's broken on it. The self-propel works, so if you switch it to on, the handle moves up and down. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think you're ever supposed to lift these by the handle, because I believe you can break that mechanism. So, just turn that off if I can. That's okay, I'm going to use it anyways. So, that's nice. Another thing is the motor sounds great in it. It's just the brush roller you're going to hear. It has some bearing noise, but here's a sticker. Actually, I'm gonna put that, there we go, here's a sticker. It's not focusing. It's a 7.2 amp. I believe the date code is, dates from 1978. It takes style A bags. Made in the USA. which is very nice. So there's that. But once I get all the parts, I plan, of course, so all this thing needs is headlights, new brush roller. I'm also going to get a pack of belts. It takes 2 belts, the smaller power drive belt and the main belt for the brush roller, and then of course the correct bags. So I'll go ahead and give this thing a run now. Warning, as I said, the headlights don't work, so you're not going to see that in action, but you will see the machine run. The self-propel works just fine too. I imagine it would work better with a new belt, but as I said, I haven't purchased those yet, so I'll get those later. This is also the model with the swivelable cord hook, so that's nice. So we'll go ahead and plug this in. And we'll give it a run. And in traditional vintage Hoover fashion, this one's loud. Oh. So, just a heads up, it is loud. Anyways, here we go. So there you have it, and even with a worn out brush roller, this thing still manages to clean very well. I have this on the lowest setting, right there, so that way the brush roller can make contact, but this thing agitates very, very well. As you can see, the groove lines in the carpet, it's very impressive, especially considering I have not replaced anything on this machine yet, for it to be that old. So there you guys have it. Hope you enjoy it. And a full review will be up on this machine once I get all the parts. But I'm going to repair the Bissell first, since it's going to be cheaper to repair. So there you have it, and bye.